In the world of technology, two companies stand tall, Nvidia and AMD. Nvidia, founded in the spring of 1993, has secured its place as a leading designer of graphics processing units, or GPUs, for the gaming and professional markets. On the other hand, we have Advanced Micro Devices, better known as AMD. Founded even earlier in 1969, AMD has made a name for itself as a global semiconductor company that develops computer processors and related technologies for business and consumer markets. Both companies have left indelible footprints on the tech industry, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in their respective fields. Their rivalry has sparked innovation and competition, driving them to constantly strive for the next breakthrough. While both companies are leaders in their field, their stocks tell a different story. Stick around to find out. One of the most immediate factors investors consider is the stock price. Let's take a look at Nvidia and AMD. Nvidia's stock price has been on a steady climb over the recent years, reflecting the company's growth and success in the tech industry. AMD, on the other hand, has been more of a roller coaster ride, with significant ups and downs, but a general upward trend. Now let's rewind a bit. If we look back 5 years, AMD's stock price was considerably lower than it is today, while Nvidia's price was already on the rise. So if you had invested in AMD back then, you'd have seen a greater return on investment now. That being said, Nvidia's consistent growth might be indicative of a more stable and reliable investment. But a lower price doesn't necessarily mean a better deal. Let's delve deeper. Beyond the stock price, a company's financial performance can reveal much about its value. Let's delve into the financials of Nvidia and AMD, two titans of the tech industry, and see how they stack up. First up, revenue, the total income generated by the sale of goods and services. Nvidia's revenue has been on a steady upward trajectory for the past 5 years, driven by strong demand in the gaming and data center markets. It's a company who has experienced hyper-growth recently with AI demand. Next, let's talk about net income, the bottom line after all expenses are deducted from revenue. Nvidia's net income has been impressive, showing consistent growth and reflecting the company's ability to effectively manage its expenses. AMD, though not as robust as Nvidia, has also shown improvements in net income, bouncing back from a period of losses to post positive figures. Now on to profit margins. This is where the rubber meets the road. It's one thing to generate a lot of revenue, but how much of that actually translates into profit? Nvidia's profit margins have been consistently high, a testament to their efficient operations and strong pricing power. AMD's profit margins, while improving, still lag behind Nvidia, but don't count AMD out just yet. The company has been investing heavily in research and development, which could pay off in the long run. Remember, a lower profit margin isn't necessarily a bad thing, especially if the company is investing for future growth. One key metric that's worth mentioning is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This measures the price you pay for each dollar of a company's earnings. Nvidia's PE ratio is actually lower than AMD's, suggesting that although Nvidia's stock price is expensive, it might offer a better value than AMD. Financials give us a snapshot of a company's health, but what about its future prospects? Investing in a company is about believing in its future. And when it comes to Nvidia and AMD, there's a lot to believe in. Let's start with Nvidia. Known for being a trailblazer, Nvidia is not one to rest on its laurels. They are constantly pushing the envelope with new and innovative projects. One of the most exciting is their venture into the world of artificial intelligence. With AI becoming increasingly prevalent in various industries, Nvidia's commitment to developing cutting-edge AI technology positions them well for future growth. Moreover, Nvidia is making significant inroads in the automotive industry. Their drive platform, designed to power self-driving cars, has been adopted by several major automakers. As more and more vehicles become autonomous, Nvidia's role in this sector is likely to expand. Moving on to AMD, they too have a promising future. AMD's Ryzen processors have already made a significant splash in the PC market, and their upcoming projects look set to continue this trend. The company's focus on high-performance computing and graphics puts it in a strong position to capitalize on the growing demand for these technologies. In addition, AMD is making strides in the server market with their EPYC processors. As businesses continue to move their operations online, the need for powerful servers is more important than ever. AMD's EPYC processors are well equipped to meet this demand, giving the company a potential growth opportunity. Looking at industry trends and market forecasts, it's clear that the future is bright for both Nvidia and AMD. The global demand for advanced computing and graphics technologies is only set to increase, and both companies are well positioned to meet this demand. However, it's important to remember that investing is not just about identifying companies with a promising future. It's also about assessing whether their current stock price offers good value. In other words, it's not just about the destination, but also the journey. As we can see, both Nvidia and AMD have promising futures ahead, but which one is a better buy today? Choosing between Nvidia and AMD is no easy task. Over the course of this discussion, we've delved deep into their histories, stock prices, financial performances, and future potentials. Nvidia, with its strong foothold in the gaming industry and burgeoning AI technologies, has shown consistent growth. However, its higher stock price may be a hurdle for some investors. On the other hand, AMD, despite its lower stock price, has displayed an impressive comeback in the tech market, giving it a promising future potential. Yet, it's crucial to remember that both these giants have their strengths and weaknesses. While Nvidia might be leading in AI and gaming, AMD's advancements in high-performance computing and graphics can't be overlooked. Investing is not about picking the perfect stock, but about understanding the landscape and making informed decisions that align with your financial goals. Remember, the most informed investment decisions come from doing your own research. If you found this video helpful, informative, or even intriguing, do give us a thumbs up. Your likes are not just boosts for our morale, but they also help more people discover our content. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. By subscribing, you won't miss out on any of our future content packed with tech and investment insights. Until then, happy investing.